Imagine spending your childhood inside a hospital room instead of playing out in the sunshine. For thousands of young people fighting severe illnesses, that's their everyday reality. But what happens when you decide to take 100 of these brave kids and give them the single best day of their entire lives? You get moments that genuinely restore your faith in humanity. Take Mac, for instance. The very day he was diagnosed with cancer, he looked his mom dead in the eye and said, "This might be tough, but I am going to be all right." Fast forward through months of grueling treatment, and to celebrate hitting remission, his ultimate wish was simple. He just wanted to go skiing for the first time. Seeing him hit those slopes completely free was just the beginning. To pull off something this massive, an entire army of creators, world champion athletes, and global superstars rallied together. When one lad named Riva asked for a bit of excitement, we didn't just meet up, we gave him a giant red detonator button to set off a massive, fiery explosion in the middle of nowhere. Watching his face light up was brilliant. Then came the grandest wish of them all. Disney World is easily the most requested spot on the planet, so we arranged for 30 families to have an entire theme park completely to themselves. Zero queues, zero wait times, just non-stop rides. Some kids headed straight for the scariest ride. Others went to hug their favorite animated characters, and a few just wanted to watch the crew scream their heads off on the drop towers. Moments like these aren't just a bit of fun. Doctors and specialists will tell you straight positive. Core memories are a genuine part of a child's recovery. It gives them the emotional fuel they need to keep pushing through treatment. The surprises kept rolling out across the globe. One young girl named Addison got to plunge into the deep ocean to swim alongside a massive whale shark. Oberi in London, a massive theater fan was treated to a full VIP West End experience. A few aspiring young drivers were flown out to meet world champion Formula One racers, while others signed their names directly onto an actual space rocket before it launched into orbit. In Paris, 4 massive gaming fans thought they were just entering a local art competition. When the blindfolds came off, they realized their custom artwork was being permanently framed and hung on our studio walls. Another young lad who loved basketball thought he was just coming for a chat until a legendary NBA superstar walked through the doors to shoot hoops with him and hand over the keys to a local youth community center. Next, we took a group of kids to one of the biggest shopping centers in the world, handed them a credit card with absolutely no limit, and gave them free rein. Whatever they could fit into their trolleys, from giant Lego sets to luxury handbags for their mums, was completely free. Watching their faces as the trolleys overflowed was pure class. And for those who couldn't be in front of a camera, their wishes were granted privately behind the scenes. We brought top-tier gaming setups, custom PCs, and high-end monitors straight to their hospital beds so they could play with their mates back home. In Pittsburgh, a young lad named Jeremiah had his dream fulfilled when he was suited up in a full professional kit, brought out onto a stadium pitch, and scored a winning touchdown with the pros cheering him on. Because of his surgery, he can't play contact sports. But for one afternoon, he was king of the pitch Oberi in Hawaii. Disney helped fly 3 families out to a tropical resort for a week of helicopter tours, private beach days, and an exclusive red carpet movie premiere alongside the film's cast. Beyond the grand gestures, the most powerful wish came from a young patient who wanted to remain anonymous. His wish wasn't for toys or Tripsy, simply asked us to help other cancer patients. That single wish inspired a massive blood drive that collected enough red blood cells and transfusions to save over 1,000 lives. Behind all the giant explosions, free shopping sprees, and theme park trips, there's a quiet truth that doesn't always make the headlines. The truth is, a hospital room late at night is one of the loneliest places on earth. For a child staring at sterile white walls, listening to the rhythmic beep of heart monitors, the world outside keeps moving while theirs feels completely frozen. They miss their school friends, they miss their bedrooms, and above all, they miss just being a kid. When you see a young person fighting an illness like this, you don't just see a patient. You see an unbelievable level of courage packaged into someone who hasn't even grown up yet. They face procedures that would terrify most adults, yet somehow, they still find a way to smile, to laugh, and to comfort the people around them. They teach us what real strength actually looks like. It's not about being fearless, it's about waking up every single morning, facing the toughest fight of your life, and refusing to let it steal your spirit. Every single wish granted isn't just a day off from the hospital. It's a message to these kids and their families that they are not fighting in the dark, and that the world hasn't forgotten them. It's proof that hope is stronger than fear, and that human kindness can show up in the darkest places to light up the way forward. Every year, over 400,000 children worldwide are diagnosed with cancer. No child should ever have to fight that battle, let alone lose their childhood to it. That's why we, along with several global health foundations and research teams, are making a £6.5 million donation to kickstart a brand new dream team of top scientists dedicated to ending childhood cancer for good. If you want to be a part of this mission and help give these young heroes something to look forward to, click the link down in the description below. Every single donation, big or small, makes a world of difference. Thank you for watching. Drop a like if this brought a smile to your face, and I'll see you in the next one. What this all proves is that true success in life isn't measured by the wealth you accumulate or the numbers next to your name, but by the lives you uplift and the hope you leave behind. When someone reaches the absolute top and chooses to use their platform as a force for good, lighting up the dark paths for brave young souls, it reminds us all of the incredible power of human empathy. May those who spend their lives bringing light into the darkest hospital rooms continue to find strength, happiness, and endless success in everything they do. If there's one lesson to take away today, it's that you don't need millions of pounds to change a life. Sometimes, simply showing up for someone in their hour of need, offering a kind word, or donating a bit of your time is enough to change their entire world. Let's keep passing that kindness forward. Drop a like if this inspired you today. Subscribe to join our community, and I'll see you in the very next video. Your time is coming. Keep believing. Keep fighting. Don't just watch. Go out and prove them wrong. Thank you for being part of the journey. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.